Hello and welcome to the 15th video of 100 LRDI CAT Challenge or CAT 2020. I am Mayank from Percentilers. Let's get on to set number 15, the name of which is Bookstore. Please read the set. There are two slides. In the next slide, there is a graph. There are two graphs actually. Okay, if you are done reading the graph, let me just remind you that these three red bars that you see, these are the books available for sale, and it's explicitly mentioned in the set also that these do not include the books that were ordered last year but not picked up. Okay, they are only the books which were either unsold from the last year or were returned after being sold or from the fresh purchase. All right, so I think there is nothing much to do. We can directly get on to the questions. The first question is, how many books were picked up from the store in 2006? Now 2006 is the last of the 3 years mentioned in the graphs. We have to start calculating from the first year, that is 2004. That was the year when the bookstore was launched. All right, so I have made these columns and I have already filled out these numbers. That is the total number of books ordered that are just copied from the set. These are these numbers: 1000, 1500 and 800 in the respective years. Let me get to the second column from this graph. So in year 2004, 100 books were not picked up. Next year 200 books were not picked up, and third year again 100 books were not picked up, which means the number of books picked up were 900, 1300, 700. Books picked up from last year in 2004 does not make any sense because the bookstore was just opened. Last to last year anyway does not make any sense. In fact, last to last year column would not make any sense in the year 2005 also. It only makes any sense in the year 2006. Hence, the total number of books picked up were 900 in year 2004. In year 2005, 1300 books were picked up from that year's sales only. Now, it was mentioned that from the last year not picked up, 60% will be picked up the next year. So out of these 100, 60 will be picked up this year and 40 next year. So the total number of books picked up this year are 1360. In the last year, the number of books not picked up in 2005 were 200, 60% of which will be picked up this year. So the total number of books picked up this year would be the sum of all these three. That get me the number 860, which is our first option. We are done with the first question. 860 is the answer. Moving on, second question. Now this talks about among the books available for sale. Last question was about picked up and not picked up, and this question is about available for sale, for which the books picked up or not picked up do not make any difference. How many units of books were there lying in the store already and how many were fresh purchase? Again, they are talking about year 2006 and we have to start calculating from year 2004. Okay, so unsold from the previous year has to be nil in year 2004. Okay, fresh purchases, all the books were freshly purchased in year 2004, so I should write 1500 over here. How many were sold? 1000 were sold. How many were unsold? Therefore 500 were unsold. Returned, nothing was returned in year 2004. You can see this sales return graph. 2005 and 6 some books were returned, but 2004 it was nil, which tells me that the number of books which remained unsold this year would make the available books from the previous year next year, so which is 500. So sum of these two rows, these two columns, I'm sorry, will make the number of the first column in the next year. Okay, so if already the bookstore had 500 books previously and available for sale are 2000, that means the bookstore bought 1500 new books in 2005. The total number of books sold in 2005 are also, it's also 1500. Okay, so number of books unsold were 500 and number of books returned this year, we have a number 100 books were returned this year. And so I think we get a breakthrough for our question that 600 books from the previous year were available in year 2006. Hence the fresh purchases were 400. We don't need to fill out the remaining table because we have already got the answer, and that is third option, 600 comma 400. Moving on to the third question. At the end of 2006, how many total units of books were not picked up? Okay, again we are being asked something about 2006. We have got to start from 2004 only. I have made all these columns which are relevant to this question and I have already put in some numbers that are taken directly from these graphs, and also I have already put nil in some cells that also we have talked about earlier. Okay, so out of the 1,000 books which were ordered in 2004, 100 were not picked up. That means 900 were picked up. So the overall number of books which were not picked up makes 100. Okay, now these 100 will be managed in the next 2 years with 60-40, and these 200 which are not picked up in 2005, 60% of that will be picked up the next year. So out of the not picked up books, these 100 are managed, this 120 is managed. Okay, let us fill these. Okay, so total number of books, overall number of books not picked up by the end of 2005 is 240, out of which 160 are going to be picked up, which means 80 remaining, and 100 from here, which makes it 180. So overall books which were ordered but were not picked up by the end of 2006 is going to be 180. Third question is also done. Let's move on to the fourth question. Question number 4. Total net sales of books in the store for the given 3 years is, I think we don't need to make a table. I think it's a simple calculation. The total number of books ordered in the 3 years. How many books were ordered in the 3 years? 1,000 plus 1,500 plus 800. Let us calculate quickly. 1,000, 1,500, which is 2,500, plus 800, which is 3,300. So in overall 3,300 books were ordered. How many books were returned in the 3 years? These are the books which were returned in the 3 years, which make 100 plus 50. 150 books were returned. So net sales was the total number of books sold, 3,300, minus the number of books returned, 150, which makes 3,150. Again, reminding you that these books have nothing to do with the books which were sold but were not picked up in that year or in the previous year or in the next year. Alright, so we have the answer as second option, 3,150. Guys, if you really like the choice of our questions and the way of our explanation, then please do reward us by subscribing to our channel, and you can do so right now by clicking on the link that you can see on your screen right now. So that would be all, guys. Thank you so very much. This is Mayank Raj Singh signing off.